Hello everyone and welcome to 2026. If you're new here, my name is Adjeiwaa. I am an international student and this year marks a new direction for my channel. So 2026 is not just another year for me. It's a year of redirection, a year of intention, as well as a year of purpose. It is also a year where my content would focus on international student life, public health awareness and global diseases, and basically how diseases spread across different populations. Because over the past few years, studying abroad has completely changed my perspective on how I see healthcare, I see medicine, and I also see life itself. I have learned that where you're born has an impact on how your health is, that access to healthcare is not equal, that some diseases are ignored simply because they affect some countries, and also that some deaths are actually preventable. As an international student, I lived in Ghana and I currently live in the United States, and I come from a place where people still die from malaria and where clean water is not always guaranteed, and even where hospitals are overcrowded. So healthcare basically is very expensive, it's difficult to access, and I study in a country where healthcare is basically prioritized, where modern technology is advanced, and where prevention is basically prioritized, as I said. And vaccines are also very easily accessible. So this has shown me that healthcare is part of everyday life, and that contrast has opened my eyes to see healthcare differently. It also made me realize that public health is not just about doctors, nurses, or the hospitals we see. It's about the systems, it's about education, it's about policy, and it's also about awareness and equity. And understanding diseases is how you understand how disease has spread on a global scale, why outbreaks happen, why some communities are more vulnerable to certain outbreaks of diseases, and also why prevention saves more lives than treatment. So in 2026, this channel would be a space where I talk about these critical issues: global health crisis, disease affecting millions of people across different countries and across the world, and public health myth, misinformation, breaking through the stereotype around public health. Also outbreaks and emerging diseases, prevention and health education, and the real life of an international student navigating these healthcare systems. This channel is for students, it's also for future healthcare professionals, and basically for anyone who cares about health and cares about health of our world. So for anyone who wants to understand how diseases are spread and how they can be mitigated, this is the channel for you. 2026 will be the year where I won't just create content for views, I would create them for impact. This is a mission, this is a personal mission, and this is something that needs to be targeted. Welcome to a new chapter and welcome to 2026 on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and like this video for more reach. Thank you very much and have a great and wonderful year.